what up, my fearless ones? I know this is so up close and personal. I have all the lights on in this room along with my ring light, simply because I want to show you guys my skin and talk about progress. I think somebody's singing. Yes, they're singing. Okay, so and talk about just skincare, weight loss, and all everything in between, right? I'm trying to keep this video at about 10 minutes, so bear with me. Um, so my skin is the clearest it has ever been. Yes, I suffer from that adult acne and teenage acne and everything else in between. What do I do to care for my skin? I do turmeric mask every other Friday, and then for other Fridays I do bentonite clay mask. I mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and the rest aloe vera, and I put it on my skin. I put some olive oil in there too, because bentonite clay can be really drying and harsh on the hair and skin. I do use it on my hair too, and I let it sit for an hour and a half. I rinse it off. I always use Fridays as like self-care, because Fridays is ruled by Venus, and Venus is love, and of course I want to love myself and take care of myself, and that's what I do. So yeah, this again, I have had some professional work done as far as like I said, chemical peels and microabrasion, but that is about it. And there's nothing I can do about, maybe moles. These are mine to keep, and a few little freckles in between. But yeah, that's what I do to my skin. I use hyaluronic acid, just cream. I also take it. It's also incorporated into my supplements, which is collagen and vitamin C, which is really, really good for your skin, ladies. It's good for your joints and different things like that. I also use MSM. I use it as a powder form so it can get in the system as soon as possible. It's great for detox as well. Uh, all of these supplements that I'm bringing up, I've already mentioned in the video, so I'm still using them along with my TLC products. But let's go ahead and segue into weight loss, because that is the name of the video. How did I lose what, over 100 pounds? So I went from 315 to 180. First of all, I started the journey with doing detoxing. I did a master cleanse. I have done 2 of those over the last 6 years, and I also did a water cleanse that is water only. All of these things, you need to seek out your doctor first. I am not a healthcare professional. These are things that I have done that has made me feel better. Why would one do a master cleanse? Well, for 10 days, your body is getting a total rest. Your bladder, your kidneys, and your liver is where your life sit, your life force. So if you overwork that liver, you're taking a lot of your life force out. That's the reason why you're feeling sluggish. You're just not, it lowers your blood pressure. I had high blood pressure in my early 30s, and it was really, really high. I never took the medicine, but I knew that I needed to change. Now my cholesterol level is low, my blood pressure is below normal. Like, those are things that just losing weight and detoxing will help you with. I know that, the product that I represent, which is TLC, every company has bad reviews or people that have not had a great experience with the product, and it's unfortunate, but I really do live these products. I really do take 3 of these every night. I really do still brew this tea. I really do take 1 of these every day before I work out. And I apologize, I have pillows all over the place. I really do drink Delgado coffee every morning. I actually just had a delivery yesterday. I drink 1 of these every morning for weight loss. It also has other great things in it that I like green coffee. It also has a mushroom abstract that I like really well. So I still take these products because they are good for you. I apologize, I just hit my tripod. And I work out. So if you're considered obese or you overweight, I know a lot of people look at these women that weigh 92 pounds and they jumping and doing all this. If that's not you and you really are obese and jumping is not an option, then start with low impact cardio. If nothing but walking for 30 minutes, and then add a minute every day to it until you get up to 45 minutes, or until you get up to at least 4 to 5 miles. And then once you're done doing your cardio, you need to go pick up some weights. Weights build muscle. Muscle alleviates the fat. So if you have a lot of fat in your body, water will flush as well. I drink nothing but water. I do not consume juices. I don't go and get a store brand apple juice or orange juice or sodas or none of that stuff. And that may have something to do with my skin clearing up, because we are what we eat, right? And then as far as food, portion controls is so, it when it comes to weight loss, it's always 80% food, 20% working out. So you can't go and eat 3 triple cheeseburgers and then go to the gym. Now we do have some men or some bodybuilders that can do that, but do you know how often they work out? They stay in the gym like 2 to 3 hours a day, and their body is totally muscle. But if you're starting your journey and you have never worked out, you have never eaten healthy, then we need to cut out the fat in the diet altogether. Like, say bye to chips for a long time. I just ate some chips yesterday, but do you know how long I had to not eat chips in order to be able to get my body right? So if you keep your calorie count under 2,000 calories, and always note that 3,500 calories is 1 pound. So if you eat over 3,500 calories in one day, the next day you would have put on a pound. So that's how I used to measure it. If I ate over 1,200 calories, I knew when I stepped in the gym, I got on that scale, I was going to probably have gained an ounce or two. Like, I was just that obsessed. I don't get on the scale anymore because I'm at a happy weight, and now I'm doing it for health purposes and not for vanity. My size run between large and extra large. I can shop at whatever stores I want as long as they sell an extra large. Most of my dresses are extra larges. Some of them are larges. So I'm comfortable where I am, but I do make sure I still work out every day. Like, when I get done with this video, I'm going to work out. And my hair is wrapped up because sometimes when I move around outside, I just cover my head just to protect my essence. It's a spiritual thing. But today I'm taking my my twist down, and half of it's down, half of it's not. So I didn't want to do the video with my head looking like this, so I just simply wrapped it. And I'm gonna wear it like this throughout the day until I can get back to it to take it down. So that is what I do. I eat 1,200 calories a day. That's it. And I only eat one time a day. And I drink water throughout the day. I do have my 1 cup of Delgado coffee in the morning, so whenever I decide to get up. And I drink water behind it. I take certain supplements. I go on with my day. And I have trained my body to do what I wanted to do. So it's really mind over matter. If you tell your body, no, you cannot have that food, or no, you cannot have that, then there you have it. And I also detox because I still eat processed food. It's kind of hard not to in this day and time. We don't always have time to make a raw vegan meal, or to make something, a full cooked meal that's healthy. It's hard because we're living in a day and age where everybody is moving fast. We have multiple things on our plate. So when you drink that detox tea at night, It's going to help rid your body of the toxins, not only that you ate, but what's around you. Because we got smoke, dirt, smog. There's always things around us that are toxin. And I think that has played a big part in my skin clearing up, because I do use a bentonite clay treatment every other week to pull out the toxins in my skin. And I also bentonite clay my hair as well. And I use Russell clay in my hair. Again, I'm really big on detoxing because it has made a big difference in my life. So let's talk about the TLC products. And if you click the link below, because this has been over 10 minutes. If you have already established an account with TLC and ordered and you click my link, I will not get the credit for that, because whoever you signed under and set up that account will get the credit. Thus, I cannot send you a waist trainer. The only way around that is to set up a new account using my link. And then from there, you can get your free waist trainer. So this is how it's going to come. This is a 3X. It's going to come like that. This waist trainer is a vest. And I at first I was doing the sweet sweat, but it wasn't helping you with your side handles, your love handles, okay? Ooh, I got a little sweat, don't I? Okay, so it's not helping you with your love handles and all of this up top. So this waist trainer is going to cut here. It's 2 straps. All right. That go across. Your breast is going to be hanging out, and it's going to get all of this. It's like a vest, so it's going to have this hanging out, and everything else will be in the waist trainer, sucking it in, and along with your love handles. So this is the one I decided to go with, you guys, instead of just the sweet sweat waist trainer. If you make a purchase of one item like the tee, it has to be over $50 in order for you to qualify for a free waist trainer. Okay, so yeah, and this is the one that I opened up to show you guys what it looked like. So it comes with 2 straps. And that's it. So the link will be below. Again, if you make a purchase over $40, $50, it really, you guys, you would, in order to get the tee, you're going to spend over $50. So I think this is a great addition to the tee. It's comfortable enough where you can sleep in it. You can lounge around in it. A lot of the Instagram influencers wear their waist trainers for 6 and 7 hours a day. This is safe enough because it don't have the corset and all of the clamps and stuff in it. It's zippable. It has the Velcro, so you just put it on under your clothes. You're sweating. I use the sweet sweat, I don't know what you call it. It's like a cream that you put on. I put it on my stomach before I work out to help actually make me sweat more. And then that's more it helps more. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Give you a little bit of my weight loss journey, what I do to maintain my weight loss. I am on Instagram. I usually post fit, fab, and fearless. I'll put the link below. It's strictly about weight loss, what I eat, the TLC products I use. And guys, if I didn't believe in this product or didn't take it, I would not be a distributor for it. Like, I believe in this product. So until next time, you guys, because I've been on here for 15 minutes. Again, the link will be below. If you already have established account, you need to set up a new one in order for me to get credit for you making the purchase. And then I will then send the waist trainer to the address and name on the order. So make sure that you place an order that's coming to you, or just reach out to me and say, hey, this is my order number, but I want you to send my waist trainer to this address. I'm always answering my emails. So the email will be below as well, or you should receive my email address with the purchase. And I'll get the email stating that you know, made a purchase. But I get a lot of those, and a lot of people just are, you know, they probably already have waist trainers. But for those that want a new waist trainer, just click the link below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.